Ah, welcome to the apocalypse. Let's all eat. Oh, my heavens. So, I tried this the other day, and I didn't think it would actually turn out, but it's pretty good. So, what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking, oh, about this. So, what is it? Well, it's a very nice apple cake dessert. Found the beginnings of the recipe on YouTube and just went kind of nuts from there. So, what do? Well, you take your 8x8 baking pan, yay, butter it, and then you get yourself a can of Pillsbury Grand's cinnamon rolls. Yeah, I'm actually suggesting a specific brand because, well, it works really well. They puff up and get really big and it fits. So you take a can of Pillsbury Grands, you cut them into quarters, and you put them down in a basic layer inside your 8x8 pan. So you got butter, you got cut up cinnamon rolls, you got a nice layer. That's pretty good. Now, when you got something like that, what do you do? What do you need? What do you do? Add some bourbon. Oh, yeah. Just a little bit of bourbon in there. And then that's pretty good. What do? Well, cinnamon has a complementary spice called cardamom. So sprinkle a little ground cardamom on that. And then you take a can of apple pie filling. And I like it kind of cut up, so I took some kitchen shears, stuck them in the can, chopped it up, and spread that on top. That's pretty good. So what do? Well, I melted a little bit of butter on top of that. More butter. Oh, terrible. And then I covered it in panko breadcrumbs and baked it. And I didn't think it would turn out very good, but it was absolutely magnificent. And you just throw it in the oven, 350, just like anything else. I'm going to pour this everywhere if I keep trying to do that. But you get the basic idea. So, to repeat, butter in the pan, cut up cinnamon rolls, a little bit of bourbon, a little bit of cardamom, apple pie filling, a little bit of butter on top of that, and then panko. And bake it. And that's it. So, yeah, give it a try. It's surprisingly really, really good. So, thank you. Goodbye. Oh, yeah. Be sure to subscribe. It's social media. We've got to keep social media alive. Otherwise, it's not going to be here much longer. Well, at least this aspect of it. Thank you. Goodbye.